motorcycles in the coming few years based on its new Gen J platform. The entry-level motorcycles will be powered by the new 350cc motor that currently powers Meteor 350 and will soon be extended to the next generation Classics 350 and other models in future as well. Among the many models in proposed, one that has grabbed attention of many is the Meteor 350 based classic roadster, which is speculated to be named Hunter. A spy video uploaded by Grasshold Vlogs on YouTube shows the upcoming motorcycle in its near production spec model alongside the upcoming next gen Classics 350. At first glance, Hunter does remind us of Meteor 350, which sports a similar stance as the latter. As already mentioned, the roadster will share its underpinnings in the latest cruiser from Royal Enfield but looks like a tad sportier. Testimonials of the Hunter has been frequently spied in Indian roads over the last few months. Although the motorcycle is in the largest images is only partially wrapped in camouflage, thereby revealing its attributes to great extent. As all Royal Enfield bikes, Hunter also carries a retro-style design with signature-style headlights such as a teardrop-shaped fuel tank, a round headlamp, a round turn tail lamp, and turn indicators, a single-piece seat, and a short rear section. Like Meteor 350, Hunter will also ride on alloy wheels but likely to be wrapped in 17-inch rubber on both sides. Other notable highlights include an upward sweeping exhaust canister, muscular front end, slip grab rails, wide tires, and redesigned side panels. The bike's sporty appeal is highlighted by old black theme carried by its handlebar, alloy wheels, engine chassis, exhaust pipe, and suspension setup. The shortened muffler further extends in sportiness. It is likely to offer a comfortable riding position as two foot pegs are center placed with a wide raised handlebar and low saddle. The most highlighted attribute, however, is the semi-digital instrument console, which features a tripper navigation pod. Interestingly, the pod is missing the previous set of spy shots that was leaked. Powered by Google Maps and Royal Enfield app, Tripler provides turn-on-turn navigation in the console when paired to one smartphone via Bluetooth. The analog unit contains the speedometer, while the digital display should read information from the odometer and fuel gauge. Powering the Hunter will be a 349cc single-cylinder air-cooled OH engine that can push out 20.2 bhp and 27 Nm of peak torque. This motor will be with a 5-speed gearbox and is more refined than the previous generation 350cc engine thanks to a counterbalance shaft. Suspension duties will be handled by 350mm telescopic fork at front and twin gas charged shocks at rear. Stopping duties will be carried out by disc brake on both wheels assigned by dual channel ABS. Upon its launch, Royal Enfield will directly rival the likes of Honda Highness CB350, Java 42 and Bentley Impreza 400. It is likely to be priced at 1.80 lakh ex-showroom.
Raindrops, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot bar. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up, open the park.